Hi everyone, I'm Fred, the creator of Amused Zone. In this video, we will take a closer look at the process of cutting down trees, the methods that are used to minimize the impact on the environment, and also talk about the importance of a sustainable approach to forest management in order to better understand how to balance the needs of humanity and caring for nature. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your comments after watching the video. Let's get started. The profession of a woodcutter is important and irreplaceable in the modern world, where the balance between the need for wood resources and environmental protection is becoming more and more relevant. Loggers play a key role in forest management, providing the necessary wood for construction and other industries, while respecting the principles of sustainable development. A lumberjack is not just a man with an axe. He is a highly qualified specialist with a deep understanding of forest ecosystems, methods of safe felling of trees, and the use of technologies to maximize productivity and minimize environmental impact. Professional loggers undergo extensive training, which includes not only technical skills of working with tools, but also knowledge about various types of trees, cutting methods, as well as compliance with environmental and safe standards. Modern loggers are faced with complex tasks of conservation and management of forest resources. One of the main principles that professionals in this industry are guided by is sustainable forest management. This means not only cutting down trees, but also planting them, protecting biodiversity, preventing soil erosion, and controlling diseases. Loggers also contribute to the fight against forest fires by cutting down dangerous areas to create a flame barrier and saving the surrounding areas. Modern technologies play an important role in improving the work of loggers. From specialized tools to unmanned drones, technical innovations help to optimize cutting processes, improve worker safety, and reduce environmental impact. Their knowledge, experience, and technical skills play an important role in the conservation of natural resources and the balance between economic necessity and environmental responsibility. Attention to learning, safety and the use of innovation allows this profession to effectively contribute to the future of generations, ensuring the sustainability of natural ecosystems and public well-being. Trees are not only wildlife, but also an irreplaceable resource that affects our ecosystem, climate and even the quality of life. However, cutting down trees becomes necessary for various reasons, whether it is construction, the creation of new areas for agriculture or the solution of security issues. Tree felling is the process of removing woody plants from forests or other natural ecosystems. It can be carried out for various reasons, such as the expansion of cities, the construction of roads and infrastructure, the creation of agricultural land or obtaining wood for various purposes. However, despite the practical significance of this activity, the felling of trees is associated with serious environmental consequences. Forests are biologically diverse ecosystems that provide shelter and food for many species of animals and plants. Deforestation leads to the loss of habitats and the possibility for the existence of many organisms, which can lead to the disappearance of rare and vulnerable species. Forests play an important role in the carbon cycle by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Deforestation leads to the release of large amounts of carbon into the atmosphere, which increases the greenhouse effect and affects global warming. Trees retain the soil, preventing erosion. Deforestation can lead to degradation of the soil layer, which in turn worsens soil fertility and can cause problems with the catchment area. Quite often, the felling of trees is illegal. In many countries of the world there are not enough institutions and people who can control the process of deforestation. In turn, entrepreneurs in this field sometimes make violations, annually increasing the volume of deforestation. It is also believed that wood supplied by poachers who do not have a permit for activity also appears on the market. There is an opinion that the introduction of a high duty on timber would significantly reduce the sale of wood abroad, respectively, and would reduce the number of felled trees. In order to minimize negative environmental consequences, it is necessary to introduce strict rules and regulations for cutting down trees. Cutting down trees is a complex process that requires a balance between economic necessity and environmental protection. Strict regulation, compensation for the loss of trees and sustainable approaches can help minimize negative impacts and ensure a healthier and more sustainable planet for future generations. Thank you for watching to the end. We are waiting for you in the next issues. Subscribe and put a notification so that you don't miss anything.